Good day, sir. Here's my PLC program in Beginner Challenge D1 Paging Unit. So here's my PLC ladder diagram. Ito naman po yung operation panel natin, and this section, dito natin makikita kung gumana po yung ating program. So we have four conditions. First condition, when button 1 is pressed, lamp 1 will turn on, and when we release button 1, lamp 1 will remain on. Second condition, when button 2 is pressed, lamp 2 will turn on, and when we release button 2, lamp 2 will remain on. Third condition, when both lamp 1 and lamp 2 is already turned on, PL4 or Y23 in operation panel will also light up. Fourth condition, when push button 1 or X20 on operation panel is pressed, lamp 1, lamp 2, and PL4 on operation panel are extinguished. Ibig sabihin po nun, mamamatay po yung apat na nag-ilaw. So, try po natin. That's all. Thank you.